Today I'm installing a 30 amp 4-prong power cord for an electric GE dryer. First I need to remove this metal terminal block cover held in by 1/4 inch screw. Our new power cord comes with a strain relief. We are going to hook up the strain relief first. To put this into the box, we are going to remove these screws completely. With the screws removed, we can slide this into the box insert. Then just thread the screw just a little bit. Don't go down too far. Then slide your power cord through the opening of the strain relief. Make sure the insulation goes all the way through before tightening down on your screws. Then once the screws are tightened, give your cord a gentle tug. Make sure that it doesn't pull out. This next step is often missed because these appliances are shipped with the bonding strap to the neutral, and this neutral bonding strap needs to be removed if you are installing a 4-prong cord into a 4-prong receptacle. I could have just removed this screw from the neutral terminal block and this bonding strap would have came off, but that's not the case with every electric dryer. Next, I'm going to mount the grounding wire into the pre-drilled hole. Loosen all of the screws at the terminal block, your L1 neutral and L2. Depending on what kind of terminal block you have, the screws may or may not need to come all the way out. This one they do. I'm going to hook up my neutral wire first to the center of the terminal block. The green sticker with the label here is a little bit off. L1 and L2 is going to be your far left and far right. It doesn't matter which wire goes where. I'm just going to put red on L1 so it is color coordinated. Then secure the black wire to line 2. Now your 4-prong dryer cord is ready to be hooked up into the 4-prong receptacle. Thank you so much for watching. This fix is done.